Today, let's take a tour of Wilderness Lodge at Walt Disney World. Wilderness Lodge is a deluxe resort at Walt Disney World. Although it isn't located on the Magic Kingdom monorail loop, it is considered part of the Magic Kingdom area resort at Walt Disney World, just a short boat ride away from Magic Kingdom. This resort opened in 1994 and is themed after the Pacific Northwest with rustic vibes and stunning views. There are pine forests, nature trails, a geyser, and other ways that the resort celebrates the great outdoors. This resort is all contained within one main building, although the related villas, Boulder Ridge Villas and Copper Creek, can be found in nearby buildings sharing the same resort amenities. As you arrive at Wilderness Lodge, you'll enter the lobby where the front desk is located. You'll immediately notice the gorgeous theming of the resort, including the little bridge with water running underneath it and the large fireplace, which are especially cozy during the holidays. A few fantastic dining options are located nearby as well. There's Whispering Canyon Cafe, which is a fun, very upbeat Western-themed restaurant known for their all-you-can-eat skillets. It is available for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Nearby, you'll find Artist Point, which offers storybook dining, a character meal dinner option with characters from Snow White. A quick service location, Roaring Fork, is also located in this area and serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Mobile ordering is available. And while we're on the topic of dining, there is one location just outside the main building, Geyser Point, one of our very favorite spots, offering delicious food and drinks with water views. This is considered a quick service location, so no reservations are available. Hopping back to the main building, you'll also find Wilderness Lodge Mercantile, a shop where you can find basic supplies as well as souvenirs, many of which are themed to the resort. You'll also be able to exchange fuel rods in the lobby, play games at Buttons and Bells Game Arcade, and work out at Sturdy Branches Health Club. Heading inside one of the rooms, you will find that the standard layout for rooms here includes 2 queen beds. The bathrooms have a sink and vanity area that's separate from the split shower, tub, and toilet. There's also a wall separating the bathroom and bedroom areas, which will provide privacy. King bedrooms are also an option if you would like to book that. There are multiple types of room views available here, including standard, courtyard, nature, and nature fireworks. Club level is also an option at Wilderness Lodge for guests who want complimentary health club access, use of the club level lounge, which serves refreshments from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. daily, and complimentary newspapers. Guests looking for things to do will find plenty, starting with the main pool, Copper Creek Springs Pool, which is surrounded by rocks and trees and features a 67-foot long water slide and a kiddie play area, a really gorgeous space. There's also the more laid-back Boulder Ridge Cove Pool, which has a whirlpool spa and zero-depth entry. You can also choose to go fishing at Wilderness Lodge, jog on the trails, view the electrical water pageant on the water, and many other options that are listed on the recreation schedule. When it comes to transportation, guests of Wilderness Lodge wanting to use Disney transportation will mostly be using buses, which are sometimes shared with nearby resorts. There is also a boat option to get you to and from Magic Kingdom. Self-parking is available for Disney Deluxe Resorts at $25 per night, with valet being $33. As for our thoughts on this resort, we love that it is one of the most affordable of the deluxes. It has great theming, beautiful grounds. You can take a boat to Magic Kingdom and view the electrical water pageant. It is also one of the most beautiful resorts at Christmas. On the downside, those buses are shared. Most of the rooms are smaller than other deluxe resort rooms and will only accommodate up to 4 people. This resort is really ideal for groups of up to 4 who love the theming, great on-site dining options, and have an affordable deluxe in the budget.